Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter the underground cellar and fish it. It is the other temple. I'm just going to go here. There are two temples. The first one, you need the lever to open it. The second one, is this the second one? Yes, this is the underground cellar. It only opens at nighttime, so I think it opens at like 6 or 7. As you can see, it's 9 in game and it is opened. So you're just going to go through these obbies and make sure you don't fall. Like me, I've fallen quite a few times going back. Okay. I don't know where I'm supposed to go after this. Okay. And then here you are. Basically, you'll need this for the jungle event, like rewards here. It says catch 100 fish at underground cellar. Again, it only opens at night. So when you're still here, during the day, you can still fish, but you cannot go out. You need to like reset to like get out of the place because the doors will be closed in the morning. So yeah, that is how you can get to the underground cellar. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!